Let me make a prediction. AI isn't going to kill the great loan officer, but the average loan officer, I'd be paying close attention because AI is making one thing incredibly cheap: information. And if information is the biggest value you bring to your clients, we might have a problem. I use AI every single day. I use it for research, ideas, headlines, thumbnail creation, data, comparisons, something that can take me hours. Now I do some of it in minutes. I love it. Way more effective. But recently, 2 buying decisions made me realize something. And I think we've been doing this all wrong. The conversation I used with AI for shopping for a new smartwatch. Am I going to use Apple or Garmin? So naturally, I asked AI. I told it what mattered to me. I compared the models, the features, the battery life, the fitness tracking. I asked questions after question after question. And based on everything I gave it, AI had pretty much given me a clear winner: Garmin. So I thanked AI and I ordered the Garmin, right? Nope. I went to the store because after all the information, I still wanted to talk to somebody. The guy that was actually helping me was a runner. Now I know you're thinking I'm a runner too. Not yet. That being said, he was wearing an Apple Watch. So I asked him about it. He told me everything he owned was Apple, so for him it just kind of made sense. But then he told me the next watch would probably be a Garmin. He was getting into swimming, and for that, he wanted to keep his Garmin on, his smartwatch on, and it'd be a better fit because it's waterproof. And here's what's interesting. He didn't change my decision. I still was going to choose the Garmin anyway, but I wanted to double check. I wanted to wear it. I wanted to touch it. But the conversation gave me something different. AI gave me the information. He gave me the context. And I walked out more confident in that decision. Now, if that were only time that I came across this, it'd be different. But I also recently bought a new pickup truck. I had narrowed it down to 3 options. And again, I used AI. Engines, features, reliability, warranty, pricing, the pros, the cons, everything I could compare. AI ranked 3 for me. But once again, I didn't close my laptop and go buy the number 1 choice. I went and drove. I talked to the salesman. I even talked to the service department manager. I wanted to know, how many of these are you guys actually getting back to work on? I had questions because I know I wasn't looking for just another specification. I wanted experience. I wanted context. I wanted the stuff that doesn't always fit neatly into a comparison chart. And here's the part that really got me thinking. I bought number 2 on the AI list. AI wasn't wrong. Number 1 may have been a better truck on paper, but number 2 was the better truck for me. And there's a huge difference. That's when something clicked. Maybe I've been asking AI the wrong question. I kept asking which one is best when I really wanted to know which one is best for me. And that is where this gets really interesting for the mortgage industry. Because your next borrower may already have been using AI. Count on it, actually. They may already know what FHA is, what they understand about conventional, what PMI is, points, what the payments look like, down payments. They may walk into this process knowing as much as you know on a lot of this stuff. And you know what? Good. I don't think great loan officers should be afraid of educated consumers. But if your entire value proposition is, I know mortgages, I'd be nervous because you're now competing with a machine that doesn't sleep. It doesn't take lunch. It doesn't forget to return a phone call. And at 2 o'clock in the morning, it can explain PMI for the 400th time without getting tired or annoyed. You're not winning that fight, so stop. And here's what AI doesn't automatically know. It doesn't automatically know your client. Should they put the 20% down? What could they use that additional money for? What are their goals for their family? Does it automatically know all that information? Before that answer, what else does the money need to be used for? Are you literally draining your savings? Do you have kids going to college soon? Do you own a business? Do you have 3 repairs coming up? How long have you been planning to live in this house? Suddenly, we're not answering a mortgage question anymore. We're understanding the person asking the question. One answered a question, the other understood the human being behind it. And that's where the value is actually moving. AI may know the answer, but great professionals know which question to ask next. And before this sounds like I'm standing here warning everybody about AI, Terminator and all that, I'm probably one of the biggest users of it that you'll meet. I use AI for everything. For these episodes, I challenge my ideas. I compare titles, pressure test the thumbnails. I find holes in my arguments. I use AI to help me build this episode. But here's the uncomfortable part. If AI can help me research, help me write, help me develop titles, help me develop thumbnails, then I have to ask myself the exact question I'm asking you loan officers. Why would anybody still watch me? Because AI can help me research what I think, but it isn't what's sitting in a meeting. It didn't work in this industry for the last 25 years. In those conversations, how did it build me to ask the certain questions, how to build relationships, what my expectations were, my scars, if you will, my judgment. Those are my responsibility. And protecting what makes you valuable is yours. So no, I'm not fighting AI. I'm doing the opposite. I'm using the hell out of it. I want AI doing everything it can to make my life easier, better. Research it out, better prepared, more efficient, because that should give me more time to do the things that require me. Loan officers should be doing the exact same thing. Let AI make you faster. Let it help you research. Let it organize your information. Let it make you smarter. But don't allow technology designed to make you more efficient, make you less human. Because as information becomes easier to get, judgment becomes more valuable. As answers become easier to find, questions become more valuable. And as technology makes transactions easier, relationships become more valuable. So I'm going to leave you with one question. Don't answer this too quickly. If AI knows everything that you know, what do you know about your client that AI doesn't? Because I think that's where your value, your real value lives. The future isn't AI versus loan officer. I think it's something that's much more. It could be more uncomfortable, actually. A great loan officer with AI versus a average loan officer comparing and competing without it. That's not a fight I want. I don't even think it'd be close. Until next time, keep elevating your business and your brand.